So this is taking a half kneeling shoulder press and leveling it up, because watch a normal half kneeling shoulder press, how my ribs love to flare as I press the weight overhead. Usually it has a little bit to do with my actual shoulder mobility, but also just, it's really easy, especially if I'm trying to lift a heavy load overhead, to just let my abs totally check out. Now with this, I'm using my serratus muscles, which go from the scapula all the way across the rib cage. I'm using those to help force my spine to stay neutral, core to stay engaged while lifting this weight overhead. So I'm gonna go ahead, if I'm holding the weight in my left hand, I'm gonna go ahead and have my left leg in front and right knee on the ground, okay? So the leg in front is the same as the working arm, and I wanna be close enough to a wall or whatever it is that you can press into to where I can comfortably push my hand into the wall and almost have this slight, I guess like protraction, right? This is retraction, this is protraction. So that's how we get the serratus involved, by being able to get the scapula up off the back. So I'm here, I'm going to protract my shoulder blade, push into that wall, and then it is maybe just the tiniest rounding through the spine. I'm definitely not arched, and I'm not exactly neutral. I have a little bit of a tuck. Push into that wall really hard. Deep core is engaged, of course, and then I'm going to press this dumbbell overhead. You will not be able to go nearly as heavy as you could if you were not doing that, because like I said, it's a lot easier to compensate if you're not. Now, does this mean that you can never do a normal overhead press ever again? No, but I love this one, especially for postpartum moms, as a good way, as like a good external cue, as a reminder to keep ribs down, keep core engaged, so that we're not compensating.